For the next experiment, which is a very simple one, you only need a plastic bottle and some water. You will also need a bowl. So first I have a bottle that has a hole drilled in it. So I hope you can see the hole. I am pointing out with my finger. So now I am covering the hole with my thumb and I am filling the water. So I am filling the bottle. So now the bottle is full and I am covering the hole with my thumb. So when I remove my finger now, you will see the water coming out. What I am going to do next is to cover the bottle. So what happened now? Now my thumb is still not covering the hole, but the water has stopped. So why is this happening? This is because of the change in pressure. So when I covered the bottle, the pressure got maintained. So the pressure inside the bottle and the atmospheric pressure became equal. Therefore, the water is stable. Now when I remove the cover, there is a change in pressure once again. So again you will see the water flowing out. Looks cool, isn't it? So now you know why this happens. This is because of the change in pressure. So once again I'll show you. When I remove the cover, the water flows, and when I put the cover on back, it stops. So I hope you understood why this happens.